huh?
Yeah.
Cut.
Welcome to our homesteading channel.
What am I supposed to say now? On Care and
Homesteading.
there we go. Success. Success.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Today we have a little bit of work to do today. We need to get some water out to the animals. Well, let's see. The animals are right over here. You know, the chickens are in this thing, and then on the other side of that is where the pigs are. So today we're going to dig a trench with the tractor. Thankfully, we have this backhoe right here. Makes it a little bit easier. And we're going to go. I'm going to switch the camera around for a second. I'm going to try to switch the camera around. Come on, switch. All right. Well, it's not switching. But anyway, we'll do it this way. I got to figure out this gimbal. This pump over here, we got to dig a trench all along. Let me turn around this way. Then all the way back to there. And that's about it. So we'll catch you in a little while. Watch us dig this hole.
We'll get to work.
Yep. See you in a little while. So this is going to be the path of the trench. Right around the tank. Oh, yeah. There'll be a water line here. Then we're going to keep on coming over here. Then we're going to tap the water line right into this automatic water for the pigs to chomp on. So in order to get a straight line, what I'm going to do is just cheat a little bit and take this extension cord, have Tracy over here, she's going to stand on the end of it, and I'm going to stretch out the extension cord, make a straight line with it, take some spray paint, and paint the line next to it. So I pretty much have a guideline, because I don't want to trench it all wonky all over the place. Just stand on the end of it, and I'm going to make a straight line back to the tractor. Come out this way a little bit more. Perfect, right there. Just stand on it. Got it? All right, here we go. This will help me dig the trench straighter if there's no knots in this extension cord. There we go. They came out. Straight line dug right here, but we ran out of my yellow line for my guideline to go over to the pump. But I did see a spot that I kind of screwed up on over here. Let me show you what I did. I told you I'll share all my screw ups. I wasn't thinking ahead. Right here, I drew a yellow line for my, we're gonna put a little water spout right here. But now that I dug this trench right here, I cannot easily dig this. So now I just have to sit over here with the tractor and go a little bit at a time. Dig, 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 dig. Not the greatest, not the biggest problem in the world, but. All right, well, right here, Right where the hell it is. Right in this hole here. I'm getting my butt kicked by a big boulder. So I'm going to stop the time lapse. I'm going to just work at this boulder and hopefully I can get it out of there. If not, I might have to run the pipe up and over it. But I forgot to tell you before, this is the boulder that was kicking my butt in that hole. It doesn't look that big sitting right here, but with that little backhoe, it was quite the challenge. The trench digging is just about done. We're from the pig pen, and the little piece that goes into the pig pen. We're down here to the chicken coop and the little feed pipe that goes off of the main line here. Now the main line's done here, and then the only piece left is to come around and go follow this line and over here to the pump.
All right, we got our list. We measured out what piping we need.
Yeah. PVC pipe, a whole lot of it, 130 feet of it we need.
He didn't let me measure, so we should be good. I only hold the tape measure. So we're on the way to the store. We got our list. We're ready to get everything, all our supplies, and get started on laying the pipe.
All right, we're going to the store. See you there.
Later.
We are back from the store. We got our 4x4, which I'll tell you about in a second. We came back with all the PVC pipe we needed. They had it. And a whole bunch of fittings. And then the other thing we grabbed was a ball valve, because I realized when I was digging over there by the pump right over here, there's no ball valve to shut the water off in case we have a problem with the plumbing in the house. So we're gonna fix that as we're tapping into the main water system. So let me show you about the 4x4 right now. We're gonna use this. Go stick it in the ground over here by a chicken coop. I bought a hose bib or spigot, I don't know what you call it. And we're gonna secure it to this and put a hose rack, hose reel on the other side. So we have enough water out here. We can clean stuff down as we need to, fill water buckets and pails. So follow me. I'll show you the hole I dug to put this 4x4 in. I used the tractor to dig this hole, so the hole is about 10 times the size it needs to be, but I'll fill it back in. We're just gonna stick this right here. I'll level it the best I can. I don't have a level, but I have an eye. And, I'm gonna fill this in off camera, and then we'll start laying some pipe, and then we'll get back to you when we're laying the pipe down. Be right back. Okay, we're getting this pipe laid in here pretty darn fast. We started all the way down there, laying all these pieces in. You can probably see right there the section that we need to tee in. So Tracy's down here somewhere. Let's move this camera. So Tracy's down here putting a couple pieces together. So let her explain to you her technique here.
All right. Hi. So I'm putting the primer first on the outside of the two pipe PC. So two pipes inside the ditch, and then we have coupler. What is this called? Coupler. Yep. So I primed inside the coupler, and then we're gonna take the glue. Put it on the outside of the pipe, and then I take the coupler, stick it as far as I can get it in there, and then give it a little turn. And then we're going to do the same to join this pipe in. Oh, sorry. As I make a mess. That's basically how we're joining all the pipes together.
And that's all we did all the way down the line. All right. So now we're going to keep on going over here. Continue along. Continue down this trench. And then it's getting kind of late. So tomorrow we're going to tie it into the pump system. Not tonight. Not dealing with that. we went for it. We tied the whole piping system that we just did into the well system. We put in 2 ball valves. I'm going to turn this camera around in a second and show you. So we stuck in 1 ball valve to take care of the house. We stuck in another ball valve, which would, I can't bring out this camera. There it is. The other ball valve is going to be able to shut the water off out there in case we ever have a problem. So let me turn this camera around and show you what we did. There's our well. That's our bladder tank that maintains pressure in the system. And we have 2 water filters. One's just a granular grain filter. I can't think of the name of it right now. The other one's a charcoal filter, sediment filter. That's it. The first one's a sediment filter. Then it goes into a charcoal filter, and then to the house. So here's what we did. Cut all this out, and this ball valve this ball valve now goes down to that pipe which leads to the house. This ball valve goes to the other pipe which runs all the way out to the animals.
Yeah. Oh, sound.
Bacon in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We just finished up our breakfast. Bella's trying to steal his water bottle. She's got
Bad habit that I started.
Yes.
No,
So we're just about to get to work this morning.
Day 3. I'm getting a little tired of this. I have the attention span of a goldfish, so anything more than a 2-day project I'm done with it. So we're gonna finish this up today.
But then we added to the project. It was supposed to just be running the water lines, and since we had already dug the hole up to put the water lines in, we decided to do the electric also while we had it open, which made sense for later on down the road if we want to do anything with that. So today we pretty much have most of the trench filled back in. I'll
show you what we did. I'll take you for a quick little walk. Yesterday we were just in work mode, forgot about filming, didn't want to deal with the filming also, kind of be honest with you. So we'll show you real fast before we get started today's work. And yeah, the dog's in the hole. I think we have about 20 more feet to fill in, some conduit for the electrical line. And no, it's not the code, it's not 3 feet in the ground, it's only about 1.5 feet. So, I think that's it.
That's it.
I know that was oversharing, wasn't it?
Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
No, neither did you. Okay, let me grab the camera, we'll take you for a walk real fast. This is all we have left right here. The water lines are done. You saw that in the video. But the part that we did add, swing around, was I'm tapping in right here to the electrical box. So we have this conduit that we also ran in the trench. And the caution tape, I just threw the caution tape on top of the pipe. So if somebody starts digging down the road, like me, and I forget where the piping is, we'll hit the caution tape first, which will say, stop digging with the backhoe. You're gonna rip up some power lines and some water lines. But this is all filled in, leveled out pretty good. Good enough for now until it rains out, because the rain's gonna make the dirt compact and we'll have to fill it in again. go through this dirt pile, pick out the big rocks, because I don't want the big rocks landing on the pipe and eventually over time crushing one of the pipes. So we'll pick them through, then we'll take the tractor, push the dirt in, and just level it out. It's time-lapse time again. The pigs were starting to try to escape from underneath the fencing a little bit, and the dogs were reaching underneath the fencing from this side with the little paws to pull the little pig craps out so they could eat it. So we have a lot of rock, and
I need cement.
we need some cement, and Bella's going to help. All right, so I think we're going to call this project done. What do you think, Tracy?
I think I'm tired.
Yeah, all right. Well, let's say goodbye.
Sweaty.
Let's end this video right here. I'm going to give you a high five.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.